The news, I am Mike Messikeno. Now, yesterday, the 24th of October, 3 bodies were recovered after the crash of a Sikorsky SK76 helicopter near Bonny Finima in the Atlantic Ocean. The helicopter, operated by East Wind Aviation, was en route from the Port Harcourt Military Base to the NUIMANTAN oil rig with 8 people on board when it went down. Meanwhile, the NNPC Limited has confirmed the crashed helicopter was conveying its staff from Port Harcourt. More in this report.
On October 24th, news broke of a tragic plane crash in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. The Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation Limited, in a statement, had confirmed that the victims were among its staff members. The accident has raised fresh concerns about safer skies in the country, despite ongoing efforts to improve regulatory oversight and modernize the sector. This crash adds to the grim history of aviation accidents in the country over the past decade. One of the deadliest accidents was the Dana air crash in 2012, which killed 153 passengers when the aircraft went down in Lagos. In 2013, a plane operated by Associated Airlines crashed shortly after takeoff, resulting in 16 fatalities. Helicopter crashes have also marred Nigeria's aviation landscape. In 2015, a Bristol helicopter plunged into the Lagos Lagoon, killing 6 people. More recently, in 2021, a military aircraft carrying Nigeria's Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Ibrahim Attairu, crashed in Kaduna, claiming his life and that of 10 other officers. The Aviation Minister Festus Keyamo, in a statement addressing the Port Harcourt crash, extended condolences to the families of the victims. He assured the public of the government's swift response and investigation into the cause of the crash. A key player in this investigation will be the Nigerian Safety Investigation Bureau. The Director General of the agency has an update on this latest crash.
They were able to pick out 3 bodies in the water, but so far they haven't recovered any more. The search and rescue is still ongoing. It's a little late now. I know the Nigerian Navy dispatched a helicopter that went out.
Now, yesterday, the Nigerian Senate received a fresh list of 7 ministerial nominees sent over by President Tinubu for consideration, screening, and confirmation. The list was transmitted to the Senate through a letter which was read by the President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, at plenary yesterday. The President's request has been submitted to the committee for a whole for immediate consideration.
Request for confirmation of ministerial nominees. In compliance with the provisions of Section 147, subsection 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999.
You liked it? What? I knew you like it.
To forward to the Senate the underlisted 7 nominees for confirmation as ministers of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They are Dr. Nentawe Jilwada, Muhammadu Maigari Dingyadi, Bianca Odinaka Odumegu Ojukwu, Right Honorable Yusuf Abdullahi Atta, Idi Mokhtar Mahai.
Now, with 11 days to go until the U.S. presidential election, Democrat Kamala Harris and Republican Donald Trump are making their last pitches to voters. Mr. Trump is heading to the western U.S. for rallies in Arizona and Nevada. Harris will hold a rally in Georgia, where Trump was yesterday, the day before, with former President Obama and musician Bruce Springsteen. In advance of the November 5 vote, polls show Harris and Trump neck and neck, both nationwide and in battleground states. During a town hall on Wednesday, Harris says she believes her opponent is a fascist, saying Trump wants unchecked power. Mr. Trump responded by saying Harris has a warped mind and is a threat to democracy. And that's it on the news this morning. We'll take a recess. Stay with us. We'll be back with a look at some trailers of movies you can check out.